4, we're going to be focusing on a couple drills that are going to show you the importance of the hip drive and not utilizing the arm to pull the bell. A lot of times people will try to use their arms at the top of the swing and pull the bell higher or shrug their shoulders. So what we're going to focus on is getting into the proper setup and doing what's called a pendulum, and then we're going to focus on the hike pass. So set up your normal swing, shoulder width distance. You're going to send your hips back, and then you're going to grip the bell. Before you pick it up from the ground, I want you to focus on engaging your shoulders. So you're going to corkscrew your shoulders back like you're trying to break the handle of the bell. Okay? So now that she's set up and her hips are back, she's going to pendulum. And what I mean by that is she's just going to push the bell back with her arms, let it come forward on its own. Push back, let it come forward, push back, let it come forward, and reset. Okay? So we're going to do this again. Find your footing, hinge at the hips, send your hips back, grip the bell, engage, okay? Keep those hips high, nice and high. You should feel that stretch in your hamstrings. And press it back. We're going to go for 1, 2, 3, and stand up. Good. And then back down. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and stand. That's okay. Go again. 1, 2, 3, and stand. Good. Now, one thing that you saw that she just did, and this is perfect, she remembered her tension breath at the top that we talked about in the last step. So when you stand up, you should always match your breath to the hips, which is what she did, and is really great for a beginner. So remember that. When you hinge, you inhale on the way back, and when you stand, you tension at the top, okay? The next drill is called the hike pass. And the importance of this is where it's going to load your glutes and give you a lot of power on the swing. So we go a little bit heavier here. Go ahead and get in the exact same setup. Now these are single swings or power swings. So you're going to start and stop every single one. Okay. Same setup. She's going to send her hips back, load the glutes, pull the shoulders into place, and you're going to look over here, nice far in front of you. If you're outside, just look at the horizon. And I want you to hike that really hard, like you're going to throw it through the wall behind you, and stand up. Okay? Set it back down. Now, really explosive hips. So hike hard, stand up with a tension breath at the top. Good. Okay, set it down. Now reset. Glutes back, shoulders engaged, grip the handle, eye position, so head tilted down slightly. Hike it hard and stand back up. Good. So this is what we consider a power swing. It's going to make you feel the tension and let you use a heavier bell to see what you need in your hips to drive forward.